In this video, I'll show you how to buy ADA Cardano on Binance app. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through what I'm going to show you. Open your Binance. So let's say if you have some crypto in your Binance and you love to get the ADA, so what you need to do, let me use that I have sold for an example now. I'll go to this trade, go to this convert. I'll make the second option to be Cardano. So the first option, I'm going to select the crypto I want to buy, like the crypto I want to change it to. So let's say if I have, let me say USDT, let me say if I have Sol on my Binance and I love to get the other, so I can be able to get it through this option. I'll come on here. So this is it. So this is how I can do this. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you all found this video helpful. Let me know below in the comment section. I'm going to see you in the next video.